Welcome to Drone Camp. In this video, we will learn how to fly a drone together. Before we start, we must remember our rules. Be careful and mindful of other people while setting up, learning about, and flying the drone. Be safe and ask any instructors or teachers for help when needed. Always watch your surroundings. Now, let's get started. Pause the video when needed. Open your box and case carefully. Carefully take out your drone controller, set it in front of you, and do not touch it. Now, take out the drone and carefully open up your drone. Open it up carefully like this. Find an open area where you have enough room to use your drone. Please be careful and mindful of other people. Step 1. Place your drone on the floor or flat ground. Step 2. Turn on the drone by holding the power button on the top for 3 seconds. The light should flash. Step 3. Now, turn on the controller by holding the power button for 3 seconds. After the controller turns on, a light will flash. Step 4. Find the lever on the left of the controller. Next, push this lever upwards to the top, and then immediately push the lever down towards the bottom. The light on the controller should stop flashing. Step 5. Hold the calibration key on the controller for 3 seconds. The red light on the top of your drone will turn on and flash, and your controller will beep. Your drone and controller are now both turned on and paired together. Step 1. Find an open area where you have enough room to use your drone. Please be careful and mindful of other people. Step 2. To take off, press the 1-key takeoff or landing button on the controller. Do not touch anything else. Step 3. Next, to bring the drone back down, hold the 1-key takeoff or landing button on the controller image below. Your drone will come back down. Move the lever on the left side of the controller up and down to move the drone up and down. Move the lever on the left side of the controller left and right to rotate the drone left and right. Move the lever on the right side of the controller to move the drone forward and backwards. Move the lever on the right side of the controller to move the drone left and right. Please re-watch the video when needed. Thank you.